How to buy BTC25 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. This token is on pre-sale, so if you click on the official website, you will be able to get access to this pre-sale page. So what you need to do, just scroll down until you find this BTC25 app. Now connect your wallet first. Select your wallet. From here, we select the MetaMask. Now, first of all, what you need to do, I will just log into my wallet first to be able to participate to buy this token. So as you can see, click on connect. Now after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, as you can see here, they show you to select the payment token. So select the BIP or the Doge or USDT. I will select the USDT. Now after that, here amount spent. So here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, click on buy. As you can see, so the pre-sale, it's not active yet. It starts on April 1. So as you can see, the pre-sale will be able to start on April 1. So after that, so until that date, so if you click on buy the BTC25 token, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. After that, you will be able to have that token on your wallet. So as you can see, you can read that page. You can read that information here. So go and check this page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BTC25 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.